Hello buddies, today I bring to you how to make a perfect buttermilk substitute. So in case you have a recipe that requires buttermilk and you do not have buttermilk, this is what you need to do so that you can also have something that is going to replace the exact buttermilk that is sold. So to make this, you just have to measure out your milk. Measure out 1 cup of whole milk into a cup. And to that, you're going to be adding your white vinegar, just 1 tablespoon. You can as well replace this white vinegar with freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon, or you can dissolve 1 teaspoon of citric acid with 2 tablespoons of water and then measure out 1 tablespoon and add. Or you can also use 1 tablespoon of cream of tartar. You can dissolve the cream of tartar with water, then add 1 tablespoon. You're going to allow this to rest. After adding the white vinegar, just allow it to sit without stirring for up to 5 to 10 minutes before you can stir it, and you have your buttermilk. So in case you have any recipe that requires buttermilk, just do this and you can use it to replace the buttermilk that the recipe asks for. So I hope this video is helpful, and if it is, please don't forget to like, comment and share.